Hey, good morning, Leslie. It's Nate coming to you from Tameron Hyundai. We're located 1 mile north of the Galleria here on Highway 31. Just wanted to introduce you to the beautiful Sonata that you inquired about. Just pulled up a Sport here. We have many different trim levels, many different colors, so don't worry about that. We'll find the best one to suit you. We're going to feature the Hyundai honeycomb grille as well as the wraparound headlights. We do put nitrogen in our tires. It's going to help these tires stay properly inflated, help you save money on the wear and tear of those tires. Wheel locks. We do have the blind spot monitoring system here, Leslie. So if there's a vehicle located on the side of you, that's going to let you know, don't get over just yet that there's a vehicle there. If you come inside, I'm going to show you a little bit about the interior. It does feature the 60-40 folding seats, as well as the leather seat trim. This vehicle does have the heated seats, as well as the Android Apple CarPlay. Once you Bluetooth your phone to the system, that's going to allow you hands-free operations to send phone calls, answer text messages, things of that nature. But let me tell you the beauty part about Hyundai. Is their warranty. America's best warranty is what they call it. 5 years, 60,000 miles, bumper to bumper. Nissan, Toyota, no one but Hyundai has that type of warranty. We're also going to feature a 20-year, 200,000 mile powertrain warranty that's only exclusively here at Tameron. Come see me. My name is Nate on your new Sonata, 205-287-2321, and you're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron, Leslie.